Page 44, When the Saints Go Marching In. Well, this is in a lot of method books too. And this is kind of a nice arrangement. Kind of, sort of, maybe. Let's look it over. Nothing new presented. We're just using everything we've had so far. Or at least a lot of stuff we've had so far. And I'm trusting you know the names of the notes in the music instantly. And you know the names of all the keys on the keyboard, the white keys that is. Instantly. You don't have to read stickers or nothing. If you have stickers on the keyboard, this is a good time to take them off. So break away from that. That's just my opinion, but yeah. It's 4 lines long with a repeat sign, so it's actually going to be more like 8 lines long. Treble and bass clef, 4/4 time signature. We only have 3 quarter notes in the first measure, so that measure is a pickup measure because it's not a full measure. We're coming in on beat 2. Which means beat 1 needs to be somewhere. And if you look at the bottom, it is. There's 1 beat in that last measure. So, okay, we're coming on beat 2. We have quarter notes, whole notes, half notes. Looks like the melody's in the right hand here, and the left hand gets quarter notes for the most part. They're giving you 2 dynamics again. You can take that MP in the bottom staff and cross it off. You don't need that. We'll talk about dynamics when I get there. So start with the notes and the rhythms. Just take it one hand at a time now, because now they're doing different things. Right hand, you're starting here in C position, and it's 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, and that's tied, so you can hold that down for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And that rhythm is all over the place. I'll leave you up to you to be able to read this now and figure it out yourself in the right hand. In the left hand, you're starting here is in C position, and it's when it comes in the first full measure, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, off. So you got rests on there. So don't hang on to that last note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And then in the second line, second measure, you get the C chords on the off beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a natural accent on 1 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, those are natural accents. The first beat of the measure is the strongest, and then the third beat is the next strongest. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Well, these are coming on 2 and 4. Those are the off beats. The 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's different. So watch out on those. And then up here. Put the hands together. We're here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2. Right there. So the C's by itself. We do that again. 2, 1. See, right when I play the next half note, the left hand comes up. So that left hand's got a weird rhythm going, but if you count it out very carefully, hopefully you'll work that out okay. Please don't wait until I play it for you and, oh, is that how it goes? No. Try and work it out yourself with reading the music. Once you have that and you're comfortable with it, and then you go through it a few hundred times to get rid of all the hesitation, so it's a nice steady beat. Keep it slow, it doesn't matter. It's a steady beat is what's important. Then you try the articulation. And they have it here. Lift over, lift up. Now, different ways of interpreting it. You can lift up between these slur lines they want, or if you wanted to go with the phrases, then follow the words. In other words, that first line is one whole phrase. You could connect the whole line together. Then you lift up. Because now it's a new phrase. Now it's a new phrase. New phrase. So you can lift up between the phrases. If you want to lift up between the slurs like they've got it, that's fine too. It's a difference of opinion, different ways of interpreting it. Because again, this slurring and phrasing and all, that's interpretation. The left hand, they're telling you to connect these. You'd connect them anyway. The point is, if they don't tell you to connect it, then it's up to you. How do you want to interpret it? because you might decide, I don't want to connect them. I want to play them disconnected. Well, if there's nothing there, you can do what you want. So putting in the slur line takes that option away. They're telling now you do connect them. Then the dynamics. All you need is that moderately loud, the MF at the beginning, and that applies to the melody. Whatever you think moderately loud is, everything else needs to be in the background. Could be moderately soft, MP, or it could be soft or whatever. Because as I'm playing this, I want to hear that. I want to hear the melody. I want to hear that. This is sort of a counter melody. Because actually you can put words in there and other people could sing it, but they need to be in the background. So. The second line, when you get to the chords, it's easy for 3 notes to drown out 1 note. So you'll be real careful on the chords. Keep them soft in the back. So we want to hear the melody, and that's really the idea. As far as the speed goes, well, if you were going to sing it, how fast would you sing it? It's up to you. Depends on how much coffee I've had to drink as to how fast I'm going to take it. It's up to you. But take the whole thing at 1 speed. Let's play this together very slowly to make sure we have the right notes and rhythms. I'll give us 5 counts. That's a full 4 because it's a 4/4 time, plus 1 because we come in on beat 2. So it's 5 counts, and then I'm not doing any dynamics, and I'm going to play both hands about the same. So you should be playing the same note I'm playing at the same time. If you're confused about it, then just do 1 hand at a time at first if you need to. But try and learn this first before doing the play with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, go.